Hi everyone. Today we can share something related to respiratory system. Okay. So the small portion of the respiratory system I will take today, and the rest of the topics will be continuing my next videos. So what is respiratory system that we will see? So what is respiratory system? It is the set of organs which is allowing for breathing by exchanging the oxygen and carbon dioxide. Okay, those respiratory system consists of set of organs which is helping for the breathing by exchanging oxygen and carbon dioxide. Okay, I already told that it is a set of organs. We'll see what is that organs or which organs are involved. Okay. So these are the main organs which is involved in the respiratory system. What are they? Which is helping for the respiration, right? So that is nasal passage, larynx, trachea, bronchial tubules and lungs. What are they? Nasal passage, larynx, trachea, bronchial tubules and lungs. Clear picture, you can observe this one. Here the nose, here the mouth, and this part is trachea, okay? And these branches is known as bronchial tubules, and here the lungs, and here the part is diaphragm. The lungs or this respiratory system just standing above the diaphragm, right? So nose, mouth, trachea, bronchial tubules, lungs and diaphragm. Okay. Respiratory system is handling mainly two tasks. Okay. What is this task? That is external respiration and internal respiration. So the respiratory system is handling mainly two tasks. What is that? External respiration and internal respiration. So what is this external respiration? That is between the body and outside, and internal to the cell and out of the cell. Okay, so the external respiration means the gases exchanging between the body and outside environment. That is taking the oxygen from the external environment and expelling the carbon dioxide from the body to the outside. That is known as external respiration, right? And the internal respiration, that is inside the body. We know that cells are there. Okay, so the oxygen is taken by the cells and expelling the carbon dioxide by the cell is known as internal respiration. So there are mainly two tasks, that is external respiration and internal respiration. For the breathing, okay, for this breathing it has contained two cyclic phases. Okay, so what is that? Inhalation and exhalation. So the breathing process containing the two phases which is known as inhalation and exhalation. What is this inhalation? That draws oxygen from the outside of the body to the inside of the body. That is known as inhalation. Or taking the oxygen from the outside to inside of the body, that is known as inhalation. Okay. And exhalation, expelling or removing the carbon dioxide from inside the body to the outside, or forcing the gases to the outside of the body, that is known as exhalation. So the breathing containing two cyclic process, that is inhalation and exhalation. Okay, in my next videos I will explain the each organs which is involving the respiratory system and what are the function, where it is located, everything. Okay, so if you like my channel, please share and subscribe. Thank you.